Hey guys, I am so excited to be creating a look using the Bling Boss palette from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. It has to be my favourite palette out of the entire Vault collection at the moment. The mixes of like purple and pink tones are so up my alley, and it had me so inspired to create this look, and I just love the combination of mattes and shimmers. The shades complement each other so well that you can almost envision exactly the type of look that you want to create. I'm starting off with the shade Hush Hush, which is like a light matte mauvey shade, and it's the perfect base for all of the other eyeshadows to sit on top of. And I'm going in with my trusty Zoeva 228 brush, the brush which I just cannot get away from. Then I'm taking the shade Rockstar on my second favourite brush, the Zoeva 227 brush, and I'm using this to fluff this into the crease. I want quite a lot of pigment in the crease considering we are doing a cut crease, so we want to add a lot of depth so that the contrast is a lot more prominent. So I'm actually patting on the shade first and then really lightly blending it out. I want to take this eyeshadow slightly above where I usually take my eyeshadows, and really want to work hard on going back and forth to blend out the crease area so that you have a perfect seamless blend. Then I'm going in with a matte black eyeshadow on a much smaller Zoeva 224 brush, which is perfect for a precise blend. And I'm just applying this on the outer corner and slightly into the crease. We are doing a half cut crease, so I'm going in with a P. Louise base and a flat paintbrush. This flat paintbrush just makes doing a cut crease so easy. It just goes to show you don't need really expensive makeup brushes. And I'm just using a sliding and patting motion. You want to ensure that you've saturated your brush with enough product so that it just glides across the eyelid. This is going to help you achieve that perfect sharp cut crease. For the inner lid, I'm taking the shade Glitz and Glam, and I'm taking this on a flat brush and pressing and sliding this over the lid. The pressing and sliding motion is really going to help enhance the metallic effect of this eyeshadow. For the centre of the lid, I'm using the shade Pizzazz on another flat brush, and I'm using small stroking motions so that I can keep the intensity of the eyeshadows while blending it. Then I'm going in with my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm taking the shade Sparks. I'm just blending this into the outer corner. You do want to work a little bit harder on the outer corner so that we can just dissolve that obvious line that we had from creating the cut crease. And then on top of that, I'm just taking the matte black eyeshadow which I used in the crease and just blending that back into the outer corner. I'm then going in with my current favourite glitter at the moment. This is Rose Gold by a brand called Eyeconic, and I'm just pressing this across the lid as if I was to do a really thick liner. For the waterline, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Slide On Glide On pencil in the gold shade, and then I'm taking the shade Mystic on a flat fluffy brush and just blending that underneath. Considering this is a Jaclyn Hill video, I thought I might as well go in with the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop Highlighter and apply that onto the cheekbones. For lashes, I'm using the Tatti lashes, and I cannot remember the style for the life of me, but I'll see if I can find out and just put it down below. I'm applying this using the House of Lashes lash adhesive and my lash applicator from Tarte. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Find me on Instagram at makeupbyaj. If you do have any requests, do let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!